Welcome to Osteo Fitness Collective. The following video is going to demonstrate the best ankle mobility exercises for those with previous ankle injuries but people wanting to integrate this as part of both a rehabilitation and training program. The first exercise we're looking at is ankle mobility into plantarflexion and dorsiflexion. This is the most natural range of motion of the ankle. What we want to do with this particular exercise is nice and gently point the foot towards the floor and then bringing it up towards the ceiling, about 10 to 15 reps on this particular exercise. Next, we're moving into inversion and eversion. So these are typical accessory movements of the ankle. Again, what we want is about 10 to 15 reps of this, nice and slowly turning the foot inwards and outwards. We're then moving on to circumduction of the ankles. This is combining all movements. Again, what we want is it nice and slow, aiming between 10 to 15 circles of the ankle. Next, what we want to do is move into the toe movement. A lot of muscles around the ankle attach down into the toes. So what you want to do is kind of spread the toes and lift them up and then gently curl them under. Again, aiming between 10 to 15 reps just to make sure all parts are moving properly. The last exercise we're looking at is the most difficult, and this is drawing the alphabet with your foot. With this particular exercise, again, nice, slow and controlled, and what you want to do is go through the whole alphabet at least once. When you feel that you're up for it, you can repeat this a couple of times. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also follow the link below to our website.